Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to utilize screen time management on TikTok, how you can essentially group and organize your time spent on the platform so you can be as much as organized and you can extract as much as value possible. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Now I want you to click on the lower right corner at your profile icon. Then I want you to go ahead and hit the three straight lines on the top right. Then click on settings and privacy. When you're over here guys, I want you to scroll down to the section content and display. Then I want you to go all the way down to the section and click on screen time. Over here guys, you will be able to set daily screen time. You simply could get notified if you reach your time on TikTok. For example, I want to spend 1 hour, okay? This is daily. Remember, every single day I want to spend X amount of time. You can set this and you will get notified when you reach your time frame. Second option over here is that you can essentially set a screen time breaks, meaning you're gonna get reminded if you set every 10 minutes, right, out of this 1 hour that you want to spend daily. You see how things are very connected. So first thing, you start from the top. You want to spend X amount of hours per day on the platform. Then you go down and I want to get this amount of breaks from TikTok during this day, okay? Third option is very interesting. This is a sleep reminder. Essentially, you want to say and you want to reduce the amount spent on the platform around sleeping time. This will reduce the blue light and that in some people, reflect that cause them major issues with the sleeping and sleeping disorder, okay? And this is how you essentially set all these functions. The last option over here is that you can essentially set up a weekly screen time updates. So essentially you will be able to track how many hours you're spending, how do you spend your time, meaning that you might find out that during the weekdays you don't spend the whole hour, you might be spending like just 10 minutes a day. And you might find out that during the weekends you spend the majority of your time, right? 30 minutes, 20 minutes. So then you might be able to change the schedule. So then you might be able to allow yourself more time over the weekends and less time over the weekdays. This is what the chart below will show you. The time spent and the TikTok essentially open. When you open, when it's unopened, when you have the platform on, and when you have the interactions on as well. This is how you guys manage your time spent on the platform, much more organized. Remember guys, time management is the crucial element of success on the social media. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.